Hi everyone, welcome to Dental Exam Guide, and today our topic is oral cavity. Oral cavity is the inner portion of our mouth and it extends from anterior opening at the lips to the oropharynx posteriorly. And oropharynx is the area of the oral cavity that joins the oral cavity with the throat or with the pharynx. Superior boundary of the oral cavity or the roof of the mouth is formed by palate, and the inferior boundary is formed by tongue along with its musculature. A soft, moist, pink-colored tissue called mucous membrane lines the oral cavity, and in mouth, this mucous membrane is called as oral mucosa. Even though it is not as thick as our skin, it acts as a protective covering for our oral cavity, and it occurs in various degrees of thickness in different locations. According to the functions and location, the oral mucosa can be classified into three types. The first one is masticatory mucosa, the second one is specialized mucosa, and the third one is lining mucosa. Masticatory mucosa lines the areas that are subjected to stress or the areas that comes in direct contact with the food like hard palate and gingiva. Palate is the concave surface of the mouth which is known as the roof of the mouth, and it is divided into two, hard palate and soft palate. Bony anterior two-thirds of the palate which is covered with firmly bound oral mucosa is called as hard palate. Posterior one-third of the palate where the oral mucosa is loosely bound is called as soft palate. It contains muscle fibers which helps in the movement of the soft palate, and it is deeply pink colored than hard palate because of its highly vascular composition. Gingiva or our gums is a pink colored stippled mucosa which covers the neck of our teeth and also the bone in which our teeth are anchored. So we have seen that masticatory mucosa lines the areas that comes in direct contact with the food like gingiva and hard palate. The second type of mucosa is specialized mucosa which cover the area that has a specific function of taste on the dorsum of the tongue or the superficial surface of the tongue. Third type of mucosa is lining mucosa which cover all the other areas like soft palate, then floor of the mouth, ventral surface of the tongue, inner surface of the cheeks and inner surface of the lips. In the inner surface of the lips it's known as labial mucosa, and in the inner surface of the cheeks it is known as buccal mucosa. Another most important structures inside our oral cavity is our teeth, and our teeth are arranged in horseshoe-shaped dental arches. And we have already discussed in the previous video that the alveolar process of the maxilla forms the maxillary arch, and the alveolar process of the mandible forms the mandibular arch. Next is the functions of the oral cavity. The most important function of the mouth is chewing of the food or the mastication of the food, and it provides us an air passage, and also it assists the tongue in speech. Oral cavity is divided into two sections, the oral vestibule and oral cavity proper. Oral vestibule is the area between the inner surface of the lips and cheeks and the front surface of the teeth. And the oral cavity proper extends from the inner surface of the teeth to the oropharynx.